Without saying a word, you light up the dark. As I lay, I could never speak. Maraming salamat po sa buhay. Wow! First off, I'd like to thank PLDT Gabay Guro. I've been with Gabay Guro since day one. I've never missed in celebration since, I think 6 years na ba? 7 years? 7. Yeah, nag-umpisa tayo sa may MOA, sa Malita Plaza doon. And it was Miss Shane Naval who got me to go with my folks. And ever since then, I've been there. And I've been proud to be a part of Gabay Guro. You know, without our teachers, we'd be nothing. So, I am where I am because of my teachers and my parents. I love you. Unfortunately, si Michelle Cabal couldn't make it. She had some things happen back in Manila, but we have Miss Mel. Where's Miss Mel? One of the pillars of Gabay Guro to come up on stage. Palakpakan po natin, please. I think we're going to give out some awards.
Thanks for giving away and scholarship grants to relatives of our OFW district in Malaysia.
Great. So do we have...
Maybe call us our co-volunteers, Francis, and